Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to check and adjust video quality on Amazon Prime. This is really useful if you want to control your streaming experience based on your internet speed or data usage preferences. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Alternatively, if you have the Prime Video section bookmarked, you can navigate there directly, but we'll walk through the full process here. Once you're logged in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled All with 3 horizontal lines. Click on this button to open the main navigation menu. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Prime Video. This will take you to the Prime Video section, but you're not quite there yet. You'll need to click Prime Video once more from the left sidebar to fully access the streaming platform. Now you're in the main Prime Video interface where you can browse all available content. In the top toolbar, click on Movies. This will filter the content to show you only movies, making it easier to find what you want to watch. Browse through the available movies and click on the one you'd like to watch. This will open the movie's detail page where you can see information about it and access playback options. Now, even without an active subscription, I can show you the next steps for adjusting video quality. Once you're on the movie page and ready to watch, click the gear icon labeled Options in the top right corner of the player. This is where all your playback settings live. Here you'll see 3 quality choices: good, better, and best. Select your preferred option based on your internet connection. Good uses less data and works well on slower connections. Better offers a balance between quality and data usage. And best provides the highest quality if you have a strong, stable connection. Choose the one that fits your needs, and your video will play at that quality level. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check and adjust video quality on Amazon Prime to optimize your streaming experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.